Hi, this is Kristie inside. I just wanted to show you inside the VIP club. It's called Digital Marketing with Kristie. And this is all that's in there. And I add to it every week. It's an amazing amount of how to courses and printables. This one is a quick start map, 4 ways I make money with Pinterest, how to begin affiliate marketing videos, how to upload your first Pinterest pin, how to create your own membership. Pinterest love, 4 ways to get to give each other some Pinterest love on Pinterest. A 7-day email golden nuggets challenge, the Simply Pin It printable PDF, the video series about one particular affiliate program that has brought me in consistent sales, and then a 6-step map to my $100 days with digital downloads. And then this is how I made $4,000 in the doggy niche. And this grows every year. And then action step videos, how to create a gorgeous website with Canva, how to open up a stand store. That's really popular with people on Instagram. This is TikTok course for introverts. Affiliate sales, these are the products that have brought me in sales in 2024. This is how to upload your digital product to your stand store. This is digital success tips. That means instant downloads and how I've sold them. This is a high ticket plus low ticket offers masterclass. This is Pinterest plus Etsy. This is YouTube, how to use YouTube and make videos with Canva. Here's another one on Stand Store, how to write an ebook with AI, affiliate marketing FAQs. Excuse me. And then here's some freebies. Here's a free digital calendar with PLR for 2024, 40 gorgeous Canva video pins, affiliate sales 2-page planner, free faceless PLR ebook, 100-page PLR self-care planner, 137 PLR ultimate faceless playbook, 167 printable ideas with keywords. And it just keeps going. Creating custom printables from PLR with Canva, video class. This is an 80-page PLR self-love journal that you can resell. All of these freebies you can resell with PLR rights. How to set up a shop in minutes with digital products. These are affiliate opportunities that have been really, really awesome for me. Here's some more. Here's 100 YouTube topics if you're over 40. Another affiliate opportunity. This is how to use this kind of link called Linktree to put your links on Pinterest and Instagram and Facebook. Free 3-page weekly planner with PLR. This is my affiliate success printable PDF, August affiliate opportunities, and more freebies. So you can see it is chock full of courses and freebies every day, Monday through Friday. I go in and I give an inspirational tip. And then a lot of days like today, I give out freebies. And it's just awesome. And I do free coaching in here. And all of this is only $37 a month right now. So you can get in at the founder's price. And anyway, if you have any questions, just let me know. Just send me an email. I'll be happy to help. So I hope to see you in there in the classroom. Yeah, we're having a blast. Come join us. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.